Hi folks, Abdul Hussain here, and today we're going to be making a variant of the fry sauce recipe, which you'll find on the internet, which consists of mayonnaise and tomato ketchup, and it's called the mint and pepper mayo ketchup. Now, I've been looking around for this recipe for quite some time, with help from certain people, especially a few who actually wanted to have this sauce for quite some time. I've actually figured the recipe out, and it involves the four ingredients which you're seeing right now, and it's obviously mint sauce, black peppercorns, crushed and grounded, obviously, tomato ketchup, and mayonnaise. Now, the ingredients consist of 3 parts mayonnaise, 1 part tomato ketchup, roughly half a dessert spoon or tablespoon of black pepper, and 1/4 of a tablespoon or thereabouts of mint sauce. Now, I'm going to try and do this recipe right about now. So, let's move these out of the way. Well, yeah. And, yeah, I'm going to be doing this in a cereal bowl. So, the measurements are provided here are based on this cereal bowl. So, firstly, time to do this one-handed. Yeah, how's this going to work out? I don't know. But anyway, first thing, 3 parts mayonnaise. So it's basically a super large dollop of goddamn mayonnaise. Just chopped. God, don't make a bleeping mess. Come on, don't play around with me, baby. There we go. That should do for now. So that's the 3 parts mayonnaise. So, first part, add mayonnaise. Then after adding the mayonnaise, you add tomato ketchup on top of the mayonnaise, using the measurements in question. So, here I am putting tomato ketchup. That's supposed to be 1 part, but okay. Not too much so you can kill out the whole sauce with tomato ketchup, so that's that done. I shouldn't have dirtied the spoon to be... Oh, crikey, O'Reilly. Now, after that... excuse me. You're going to be getting out a pepper, the black pepper, and you're going to grind roughly half a tablespoon's worth. So, am I going to be able to do this one-handed? I do not know. So, there. Let's try it. Screw it. Let's give it a go. Just enough to give it, or rather, just enough black pepper to cover the 2 sauces. There, that should do it. God willing, but so those are the 3 ingredients added, and the last thing you need to add is this mint sauce. I'm gonna have to do it. Oh, good grief! Let's just do it. Open it. One. I did. Hold on. This is not gonna go well. got it. I got it. Now what you do, I need to be careful not to make a right mess out of this. What you need is roughly just a quarter of a tablespoon. Not too much, not too less. Around that much. And you're going to add it like so. Now, the last thing you want to do is combine, stir until well combined so it turns pink and well seasoned like this. So you get the sauce mixed in like so. Now, a little fun fact here. Pizza shops in the UK, like Caspian Pizza, and some of the random pizza places that I know of, will usually serve this sauce with pizza under names like Caspian Sauce or Special Sauce. To be honest, that's just a lot of, I don't know how to say this politely, load of arbitrary nonsense to be polite. But that's just, when they talk about Caspian sauce or special sauce when it comes to pizzas and additional pizza sauces that they serve at the side, not on the pizza of course, they're usually referring to this variant of fry sauce, and that's it really. So look, after you've added all those sauces in question, you've got and stirring it of course. I've clearly not done that part, but whatever. You got yourself that mint and pepper mayo ketchup. Now, to have a taste test, I've made myself, some lovely cheesy garlic bread. So, I don't know, let's just stick it in there for the laughs. Let's see how it tastes like. You know what? That is wonderful. You get a nice savoury taste of the mayo and the ketchup, followed by that coolness of the mint and that peppery kick. Now, that is awesome. And who'd have thought it'd be a four ingredient sauce? And you know what the funny thing is? I got myself, a spare jar just for storing that sauce if I want to make some more, which I probably will. I'm hell bent on doing it, to be honest with you, but this sauce is pretty awesome. The only downside to it is there's no actual search results on the internet for a recipe that includes mint sauce, black peppercorns, mayo and ketchup. I just couldn't find any recipes. Most of these recipes I found include adding things like dill pickles and vinegar and additional salt and all that jazz, but that was really not what I was after. But I've enjoyed that, to be honest with you. And on that note, seeing as I'm the sort of person that likes to leave show notes embedded in the video, here's the show notes. And the show notes, well, here they are obviously, but feel free to pause and read this in your own time. So, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's go to the bottom half of this. Whoops, I made a bit of a mess here. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah. But anyway, glad I'm glad that was done. And I hope you've actually enjoyed this, or enjoyed watching me make a right that pansy of myself while trying to make this. So that's what I have to say on the matter. But before I go, if you're going to make larger or smaller batches, you may have to adjust the ingredient quantities to taste, because sometimes, yeah, if you make larger batches, sometimes these the measurements provided as a guideline may be inaccurate in terms of producing end results. So best to keep that in mind if you're going to make smaller or larger quantities. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and this recipe, and I hope I see you again real soon. Goodbye for now.